Hey everyone, Mr. E here with another SolidWorks tutorial for students and beginners. And in this one, we're looking at how to use the Revolve tool as an alternative to, say, extrude, sweep, or loft that you can learn about in another one of my tutorials. So for the Revolve tool, you need some type of sketch profile. And as you can see, I've created this semicircle sketch profile here that I'm going to use for the first example in my Revolve tutorial, right? So I have this half circle, and this is going to be perfect to make a revolve. So let's grab our Revolve boss base, and then I'm just going to click on my semicircle profile. Then I need to choose an axis to revolve around. So I've selected this outer profile as my what I'm going to actually revolve. But for my axis of rotation, I'm going to click on this center line. And you can see we've made a ball, right? So this is just revolve this semicircle around this axis to create a perfect sphere through the Revolve tool, which is pretty cool. You don't have to revolve the full distance, like 360 degrees. You can choose how much you'd like to revolve. If you don't want to go the full distance, like if you want to, for example, make Pac-Man, something like this. And again, that's pretty cool. So something that you can do using the Revolve tool instead of, say, the extrude or whatever it might be. But let's delete this, and I'm going to give you a different example, as you don't need to revolve around an axis that's connected to your sketch profile. So let me make a new sketch, and I'm just going to draw a super simple circle here as a sketch profile. Okay, something like so. Perfect. Now I'm going to create an axis to revolve around on a different work plane. So I'm just going to draw on another work plane next to my circle some type of axis like this that we're going to use. So two different sketches, two different shapes that I can use for the revolve. So let's click on our revolve. And again, I'm going to select the profile that I'd like to revolve, which is this circle. But now I'm going to click on this separate part, and you'll see that I now made a donut or a torus shape. So you can revolve any profile around any type of axis here, whether they're connected like the first example or disconnected like this, and that's all pretty cool. I also want to point out that you can also revolve cut if you wanted to remove material rather than add material, and that's all super handy. So thanks for watching. Definitely don't forget to subscribe and check out how to use the other tools in my other tutorials and guides.